This new phone from Vivo has an interesting feature. And it's not even the camera lens, it's actually its camera flash. By the way, my name is Joseph from Davao Geek Hub, and this is my unboxing and first impression of the vivo V27e. If you are new to the channel or still haven't subscribed yet, please do. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Before we begin, I must disclose that Vivo Philippines sent us this device to unbox and review, but this does not affect my opinion, and I will review the device as honestly as I can. Now let's start the unboxing. Inside is the Vivo V27e itself. Next is a free clear case, user guide and warranty card, its flash charger, USB-A to USB-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. Next, let's check out the device. We have the glory black colorway. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but the color slightly changes depending on the angle of the light. The back also has a matte texture. This minimizes catching fingerprints. The sides are flat with rounded corners, which is actually quite comfortable to hold. For button layouts, we have the power or wake button as well as the volume buttons on the right side. Nothing on the left. There's a noise cancelling mic up top, and at the bottom there's the SIM card tray, mic, USB-C port, and the speaker. Speaking of speakers, the V27e also features an all-round audio enhancement. Basically, Vivo claims its speakers can intelligently remove noise for clearer sound. We'll have to test it further though. For its display, it has an AMOLED screen, which feature vivid, sharp, and clear images. It also has a refresh rate of 120Hz, so scrolling and gaming are smooth to the eyes. On the topic of gaming, the device has some nifty features. It has a game boost mode which allows to run your favorite mobile games smoothly. It also features 4D game vibration for more immersive gameplay. I tried it on a quick game of Genshin Impact and the graphics were great with no lag. I will also try to test it more on my review. On regular day-to-day tasks, it runs smooth. I haven't experienced any lag whatsoever while using the phone. From browsing, to editing a video via CapCut, to even opening the camera app and quickly taking a photo. It runs smooth and seamless. Its dynamic RAM also helps it run multiple apps at once and still keep it running smooth. Lastly, the device is also equipped with 4600mAh battery with 66W fast charge support to keep it powered all day. Now I just mentioned its cameras and I actually save it for last, because it's probably its most noteworthy feature. The Vivo V27e sports a 32MP HD vlogging camera at the front and a triple camera setup at the rear, composed of 64MP OIS ultra sensing camera, 2MP bokeh, and 2MP macro. But the highlight of its camera system is the Aura portrait light. But before we talk about it, here are some quick sample shots I took with the device. Now the Aura portrait light is quite interesting. It looks like a ring light rather than a normal camera phone flash. It's also diffused, so the light is much more softer on the subject. And with the help of its Aura portrait algorithm, it not only helps make your night shots more clear and vivid, it also intelligently detects low ambient light and adds brightness. This results in a more radiant and delicate complexion. Even if the subject is an object and not a person, it still improves the subject's lighting. Now if you are curious about the rest of its specs, I'll put it on the screen. Feel free to pause the video. The Vivo V27e is now available here in the Philippines. You can get it for 16,999 pesos in all Vivo concept stores, kiosks, and authorized dealers nationwide. You can also purchase it online via Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok Shop. Links will be posted in the description box below. This has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo V27e. I hope you found it informative. Give it a thumbs up if it did, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be writing an in-depth review of the device, so check it out when it gets published on DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will also be in the description box below when it's up. Again, my name is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.